Hi again, welcome into a new video from our video guideline series. I'm going to continue and show you how to use the employee per year tab. This would be very easy because you don't have more than two options. Select the year and select the employee. That would be all you have to do. But because of the complex setup system settings we have developed, you will have to understand a few things in here even if you don't have only two options, year and employee selections. In this tab, let me start to introduce what you can see here. As you will see, in the top section in the center you have all the available days depending on the leave reason. How many days based on the leave reason every employee does have remaining for the selected year. Uh, on the right side you have how many used days, how many left days from the total, okay, and how many partial hours does this employee used. Okay, we see 70 hours and 30 minutes because we have 60 hours here and an hour and a half here in December 2024. Uh, Down below we have the employee details. Everything is completely dynamic here. These information are triggered from the settings tab when you set up the employee settings details. It automatically be triggered and presented to you nicely based on the employee. If we are changing the employee, we will see that every details is automatically updated. On the right side we have how many days has been using this employee based on the custom leave request. Every custom leave request from here is fully customizable and you can update everything in the settings tab in this section. You can update the leave reason and you can update the abbreviation. Everything you update here, it will automatically be triggered into the entire system. You don't have to do nothing anywhere because every leave reason and every abbreviation, it will be automatically populated and updated into the entire tracker. As for here, into the time of request, into the list of reason, in every tab everything it will be automatically updated. You just have to complete your leave requests as your need based on your company policy and everything it will be automatically updated. You don't have to do anything nowhere in this tracker. Okay, so we have and we understand now what are these and where these are coming from. In the next section we have a small chart and a small table database to say so with the records of every partial time of requests based on every month and a total. As we see, we have the total here and we have the total on the top right section bar based on every employee. Select the employee and everything will be updated automatically. Okay, further, this small chart presenting all the leave requests for a better visibility. Further, we have the standard year presentation. In this preview, we have the standard year. So let's say you need to use this tracker based on the standard year. What do we understand on the standard year? Standard year is that the current year. If we are in 2024, the current year is representing the standard year. I hope we're speaking the same language and we do not misunderstanding anything. So if you select 2024, it will present you the 2024. If you select 2025, it will present you 2025, and you see it's completely empty because we don't have any leave requests recorded for 2025 year. Okay, let's go back in 2024 and ending this presentation with a small update into the settings tab, meaning the last update for the entire tracker, meaning you have the option to use this tracker for the standard year or for the fiscal year. We had multiple requests to update this for a fiscal year or custom year, how do we want to say, and after more than a month we succeeded to implement and check everything to see if it's working completely and how it will be the best to implement this new functionality, because we need to work for everyone's needs. So standard year is simple. You select standard year and everything is presenting based on the year you are selecting here. You need to preview to 2024, just select 2024 and you will preview the standard year. But in case you need to use the entire tracker for the fiscal or the custom year, just come into the settings tab and select here fiscal or custom year. I will come to this setting when we will go to the settings tab and present you everything. But right now just remember that we have start month for June. So our fiscal year is starting on June 1st. You have the option to select the start month. Everything it will be automatically completed, and the system will automatically detect that our fiscal year is starting on June, and it will automatically end it in May on the last day, so May 31. Okay, starting from June 1st from up to May 31. You don't have to select any year from here, because what is amazing on this system is that you can use this up to 6 years in a row, starting from 2024 up to 2030. So you just select your fiscal year and it will use any year you select here from this entire range to build your every fiscal year for any year you select from here. So we set up in the settings fiscal year from June up to 31 May. If we go to the employee per year tab, we'll see that now everything has been updated. We have 2024 because our fiscal year is starting on 2024 June 1st and is ending on the next year, meaning 2024 May 2031. Okay, so we have a full preview. That is another amazing feature. We have a full preview over all leave requests for these 2 years, 2024 and 2025. The highlighted areas from these 2 sections are months outside of our fiscal year. Our fiscal year is starting on June 1st and ending on June 1st, 24, and it's ending on May 25, 2025, 31. May 31, 2025. Okay? Our fiscal year is this one. Everything that is highlighted is not counted. It's showing to you to have a full preview over the past or the next leave request outside of the fiscal year, but only what is not highlighted, only what is nicely formatted here is considered and calculated by this tracker for your current fiscal year, to say so. So you don't have to ignore about, you don't have to worry about this, because this is showing to you only as an idea what the employee had a meaning of the time of request, leave request, or what he will have for the outside of the fiscal year. Okay, only everything that is in this section nicely formatted and not in the highlighted one, it will be considered for the tracker, and you will be very easily able to notice that your fiscal year is starting from June and ending on May 2025, and everything presented here is automatically calculated based on your fiscal year setup in the settings tab. Even if it's showing, even if the system is showing to you all this time of request, it will not uh, calculate anything that is outside of your fiscal year. This is just for you to have a very clear representation of everything that your selected employee has got, has requested, and has received into these years, outside and before and next your ending fiscal year. Okay, and as I said, everything is presented here based on your fiscal year selection. As you notice here on the top, we don't have any day for any custom leave request, because for Jessica Smith we have allocated days based on the full year. We allocated for Jessica 35 days for the full year employee, but not for the custom leave request. I will explain this to you in the next video, but this is the reason why for some employees, like for Michael Johnson, you will see days here based on the custom leave request, and for others you will not see. That's depending how you will set up your system and how you will allocate free days for every employee. That was all. I hope I was very clear. I hope you understand how this works. In case you have any questions, please just let me know. As in my previous video, I'm going to warn you that this is in the Excel version. Everything is password protected. You can break anything. You can uh, mess with any formula, because everything is protected. In case you need protection for the Google Sheet version, please contact us and we will apply the protection for you for free. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.